Amy Schmidt, a local real estate agent with eXp Realty, in love with the city of Camrose and excited to be sharing it with you. This video explores a multi-use trail system that connects to mountain bike trails. This outstanding area offers the opportunity to enjoy nature right here in our backyards. Tag along and check out the beautiful fall scenery. Camrose is a city with a small town vibe located just 90 kilometers from Edmonton. It is within a transitory region of Alberta between prairie and boreal forest known as Aspen Parkland, with an amazing number of recreational opportunities for all interests, ages, and skill levels. This city of approximately 20,000 promises you will never be bored. Community-oriented culture makes Camrose an appealing place to raise a family or retire while staying physically active. In the winter, many of these trails you see are groomed for cross-country skiing. Winter biking is permitted on some of the trails, providing you have a minimum tire size, which is where owning a fat bike might be a great idea. If winter biking or cross-country skiing is not your thing, the city offers an unbeatable urban park system winding through the Stony Creek Valley with a series of interconnected paved multi-use trails, as well as shale pathways for walking and running. Stay tuned for another video on that section. Throughout that system of over 30 kilometers of trails, there are benches, garbage cans, washrooms, and bags to pick up your pet's poop. In winter, the city does take care of the trail maintenance as required, including snow removal, de-icing, and garbage collection. This 12-kilometer trail system leads into the Happy Valley Trail system, which is located on private property but available for mountain biking and hiking. We'll explore that section on another video, but for now, check this out. tagging along. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the trails and what other Camrose content you would like to see. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. Do you know someone considering a move or visit to Camrose? Please share this video with them. Reach out today if you are looking to buy or sell in Camrose or the surrounding area. Feel free to contact me with any questions about the local real estate market or just general inquiries about the area. My name is Amy Schmidt, and I am a local real estate agent with eXp Realty, and I can't wait to hear from you. Catch my contact info at the end of this video or in the description below.